Capricorns do something that almost no one notices. And that's exactly why they become impossible to forget. They don't chase. They don't try to impress. They don't ask to be loved, and yet, people get attached. They leave, and then they come back. If you're a Capricorn, this video will explain why people bond with you without you even trying. And if you're attracted to a Capricorn, you're about to understand why you still think about them, even when they're silent. But stay until the end. Because not all Capricorns attract in the same way. And one Decan is far more unforgettable than the others, even though most people overlook it. People often say Capricorns are cold, distant, too serious. But that's not true. What people mistake for emotional distance is actually rare emotional self-control. And psychologically, that is one of the most powerful sources of attraction. Capricorns don't panic. Even when everything feels unstable, they observe, they endure, they stay grounded. And the human brain subconsciously associates calm with one thing: safety. If people come to you when things fall apart, if they tell you your presence feels grounding, that's not an accident. Capricorn energy becomes an emotional anchor. And we always get attached to what stabilizes us. Capricorns don't overshare. They listen. And that silence creates psychological tension. Because when someone doesn't reveal everything, the other person starts projecting. They imagine, they analyze, they want to understand. That's exactly how deep attraction is born. But here's where most people misunderstand Capricorn energy. That silence isn't a game. It's protection. Capricorns never say, "I'm strong." They prove it over time. They carry responsibility. They stay when things get heavy. They don't disappear when things get real. And that emotional endurance is incredibly attractive, especially to people who grew up with chaos. With a Capricorn, you feel like life doesn't fall apart. When a Capricorn commits, it's deep, but it's never blind. They watch carefully before they choose, and once they choose, they don't play games. But their loyalty requires maturity, and not everyone can handle that. That's why many people love Capricorns but can't stay. Now here's something essential. Two Capricorns can be completely different and still create the same kind of obsession. The reason is the Decans. Each Capricorn Decan expresses this irresistible energy differently. And without realizing it, each one attracts a very specific type of person. First Decan Capricorns don't try to be liked. They naturally command respect. Their presence is serious, grounded, sometimes intimidating. Psychologically, they trigger one powerful desire in others: to be validated by them. People don't just want affection, they want recognition. In love, this Decan attracts those who want stability. Real commitment. Something solid. Their magnetism comes from one unconscious thought: if this person chooses me, I must matter. Second Decan Capricorns are the most understated. And often the most underestimated. They carry a quiet warmth, a calming presence, a softness that doesn't demand anything. Psychologically, they create slow burn attachment but incredibly deep. You feel understood without being invaded, accepted without pressure, safe without promises. In love, they often attract emotionally exhausted people. Because with them, you can finally breathe. Their magnetism comes from a rare feeling: I don't need to protect myself here. Third Decan Capricorns attract through the mind. Through clarity, precision, deep understanding of human behavior. They notice what others don't say. They understand what others can't articulate. Psychologically, they create mental fascination. You want to talk to them, be understood by them, be seen by them. In love, they attract people looking for conscious, intelligent, evolving relationships. Their magnetism comes from one persistent thought: this person truly understands me, no matter the Decan. Capricorns attract for the same core reason: coherence. They don't perform. They don't shift personalities. They are aligned. But the entry point is different. Respect for the first Decan. Emotional safety for the second. Mental connection for the third. That's why Capricorns are often understood late, but remembered for a long time. Capricorns don't shine loudly. They shine consistently. They don't seduce with noise. They seduce with presence. If you're a Capricorn and people have told you you're too reserved, that's exactly what makes you unforgettable. Now tell me in the comments, are you a Capricorn? And which Decan described you the most? Or maybe you're attracted to a Capricorn and you finally understand why.